verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. Psalm 32 verse 8. The Lord says, I will teach you the way you should go. I will instruct you and advise you. Jeremiah 17 verse 7. 17 verse 7. I will bless the person who puts in trust in me. Proverbs 19 verse 20. Listen to advice, to accept instruction, and in the end you will be wise. Proverbs 2 verse 6. For the Lord gives wisdom, and from his mouth come knowledge and understanding.